Hey guys, what's up? It's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So, I'm going on vacation for a week in the mountains and a week at the beach. So I have a lot to pack. I have never been on like a 2-week back-to-back vacation before, so I'm feeling super blessed and super excited. But the packing, I don't think you're grasping it. My room right now looks like a tornado ran through it, and I took a minute and I thought about it, and I was like, if I'm not careful, I could just get swallowed up and consumed by how many clothes I have, and also how many clothes that I want to bring. Somehow I'm the most organized, unorganized person ever right now. I have like multiple notes of like things that I need to pack in what bag, which bag, how many bags, down to the T of counting out like specific amounts of items, just a lot. So this is what we're dealing with. Remember that clean with me video last week? In the midst of this mess, it's time for a very quick, very little Walmart haul. I'm at Walmart right now. I'm vlogging in public again. I don't love it because anybody at any time could walk up and it's so awkward. Anyways, I have a few things that I need to get for the trip like last minute. I just thought I would vlog, take you guys with me. So I really need acne patches, but like Mighty Patch is really good, but it's just super expensive. I need to find acne patch brand that's still good, but like not super expensive. These are $7. I think this is probably the best that I'm gonna get. I'm looking for an eyelash curler because mine's broke. Even though I'm gonna have fake eyelashes on the whole time, I still need my like eyelash curler. So look at this one. This is so pretty. Those are so expensive. These ones look better actually. Guys, this is in the little girl accessories, but look how cute. I get so cute. Look at these clips. This is $2 for these, and I'm probably gonna get it because I need clips. I got wet wipes. They're lavender scent. EOS or EOS, however you say it. This is shave cream. I got a pack of 10 batteries for freaking $15. This was the most expensive thing. And the last thing that I got were these butterflies that I found in the toddler section. They were cheap. They were like $2. I do have another Walmart pickup order to pick up today though. It's gonna be all my loaded tea stuff. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy a new pair of shoes for $20 at Walmart because they're cute. My white shoes, my only white shoes that go with everything, they were never really white. Like, I've always been dingy, so I was like, it's fine, like I'll just wear them to the fair. Normally that'd be fine if it hadn't been raining for like 3 days prior to the fair. It was a literal mud fest. So I wore these white shoes to the fair yesterday and they're now brown. And I'm sure I could manage to clean them off. Like, I have so much stuff that I gotta do, and those shoes are already extremely dingy and dirty that I'm like, is it worth it at this point? Why not drop $20 on a pair of cute Walmart platform shoes that are white and have little pink accents? Sounds reasonable to me. Anyway, I have a lot I have to do. So I have a lot I have to do, and I have to do it now. Okay, I don't know where to start. Truth of it is, every like YouTube video that I've watched, it's like, pack with me, pack with me. But this is also the real side of it, at least for me. Look, this bag has never been this full before. I can't believe that it's not breaking. I packed 2 weeks worth of clothes in this bag.